How to send images on Discord, both phone and PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send images from Discord with PC or mobile phone. So first of all, you need to go to the server or the conversation, open the conversation, the person you want to send the images to. And after coming on here, you have to click on the plus icon and you can see the option upload a file. You just have to click on there and you have to select the image you want to send to the person or to the person or to the uh, channel. So let's say uh, this is the image I want to send. You just have to click on open, and after coming here you can see there is a option called modify, uh, and you can just change the file name from here, and you can add a description from here, and you can just click on enter, and it will the click on enter and the image will be sent, as you can see, and the process is similar on the mobile phone and on the desktop. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.